Wala. Ipan by Clark. Ay. Kenneth, you win the ball.
Pinasa kay Kenneth.
2 points.
Pumasok.
Yeah.
Lab! Grabe, Lord! Galing ba? Captain Hollywood!
Yeah, this is the pass to James.
Young Big for 3 points. Wala. Nakuha ni
Okay lang yan.
Nakuha ni Clark. Ito 2 points niya kaya ito. Ito pasa niya ba? Hindi. Ay, naagaw ni Kenneth. Kenneth for 2 points. Nakuha ni Justin. Ano ba yan po?
Justin, give me the ball.
Pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth for 3 points. Pasok ang 3 points.
Jason, dribbling the ball.
Kaya mo to, Doc!
Cross the ring hook.
Wala. For 2 points.
No good. Clark Ulam for 2 points. Pass to
Ganito na lang daw sa
3 points. Wala. Pinasa kay Ay, nakagaw ni Clark.
Clark Ulam.
Nahilo-hilo na ako ba?
Let's go, Kuya Arvin. Kuya Arvin, dribbling the ball. Kuya Arvin,
Wala.
dribbling the ball.
Erwin, pinasa kay Kenneth. Nakasilaw naman yung sapat.
Gisano.
Wala na! Wala na! Kailangan ka na ng extra cheer.
Sino? Game. Pass to Clark ulit. Clark ulit.
Ulit for 2 points. Wala! Meron! Wala! Nakuha ni
Clark
Clark!
ulit. Sige. Diretso mo ulit.
1 minute! 1 minute!
Cross the ring hook. Cross the ring hook. Stop. Papasa yan.
Pakita mo kung sino ka!
Alex. Pass to Jason. Jason.
Less than 1 minute! Less than 1 minute! Pinasa kay...
Grabe pa rebound. Pass to Jason.
Let's go, Tatay Johnson!
Johnson dribbling the ball.
Team Brother Johnson, Team Red, pero naka-blue.
Pass to Jason.
Okay, Jason for 2, pasok! Green ball! Green ball, pinasa kay... Sino ba to? Gian! Dribble ang bola, pinasa kay Edgin for 2! Pasok! Hindi pumasok, Edgin, dinidribble ang bola, saan ka pupunta?
Let's go, baby boy!
14! Kevin Martin! Wala! Anong nangyari kay Jason? Okay. Green Team Gian, 2 points! Red ball. Let's go ulit. Pinasa kay Tatay Johnson for 2. Pasok! Woo! Let's go! Wala.
Para kay Jason!
Dinidribble ni Clark. Saan ka pupunta? O, tingin. Saan ko ito pumasa? Pinasa kay Jason. Okay, sige. Decide. Anong gagawin? Pinasa kay Jason Cotto for 3. Hindi. Pumasok for 2 Clark. Pasok! Team Red! 2 points! Hey! Anong nangyayari? Kenneth for 2. Pasok for Green Team. Okay, dinidribble ni Jason ang bola. Nagde-decide, dinidribble pa din. Nagde-decide ulit, anong gagawin sa bola? Pinasa kay Clark! And nakay-alis ang bola, and for 2. Pasok!
Canada!
Joke lang, nag-travel siya, nakaabot siya ng Japan! Jason Cotto for 2, pasok! Jason Brazilda running with the ball! Hey! Knockout! Hey! Great! Knockdown by Jericho Borja! So for red team, James Cotto will be doing it. Hindi pumasok. Isa pa.
Bench nila. Bench nila.
1 point for red team by James Caro. John Vic, dribble the bola ni John Vic. For 2, pass up, team Vic. James got the red team, holding the ball. Hey, Jesus got the 2 points. Kenneth Bonito, okay. Ang galing pinasa sa red team. Yes, Dubai. May pa-seamless papasa po ang ating takay for 2. Gian for 2. Pasok. Green. Pinasa sa green team. John Vic for 2. Pasok. Nakuha ni Ciano for 2. Pasok for green. Kenneth, dinidribble ang bola. Kuya John, habol-habol tayo dito magpaitan. Kenneth for 2. Pasok for green team. 2 points. Jesus Cotto for team. Pasok! Jason pinasok kay James. Score for 2. Hindi pumasok. 2 points for red team. Ulit. Kenneth, dinidribble pa din ang bola. Wala. Oh, Jericho for 2. Green team, 2 points. Let's go, Jericho. Jericho for 2, red team. Through 2 free throw for green team. Hey, that's 1 point for Jenvin. 1 more free throw for green team. Papasok kaya. Green po. 2 points. Green team, Kenneth for green. Pasok for green. Hey, nakay Ciano ang bola mga kapatid. Ciano pinasa kay John Vic, pinasa kay Kenneth. 2 points green team. It's a tie. 43-43. Hey! Oops. Red ball. James for 2. Pasok for red.
Rico, galingan mo!
Kenneth for 3. Pasok for ulang. Kinapos. James tuloy. Kenneth for 2. Pasok mga kapatid. John Vic dribbling the ball from the green team. Pinasa kay Eddie for 2. Yo! Nakuha ng green team ang bola mga kapatid. Pinasa kay Kenneth for 2. Pasok! Mga kapatid, nasa green team na naman po ang bola. Pinasa kay Kenneth for 2. Pasok! Come on, si Moses.
Jericho!
Okay. Clark, dinidribble ang bola. Kanino kaya ipapasa? Pinasa kay Jesus Cotto. Pinasa kay Alex Palomo for 3. Pasok! John Vic, dribbling the ball, pinasa kay Kenneth. For 2, pasa pa rin.
Nanalo ba tayo?
For 2, wala. Casey! Red ball. James Escoto. 3 points mo to na. Ay, hindi. James for 2, pasok. Tenet dribbling the ball, pinasa kay John Banks. Ito kay Piano for 2, pasok. 2 points for Green Team. Go time! Dinidribble ni Adona ang bola. Pinasa kay Clark for 2, pasok. Jason dribbling the ball. Jason for 2. Oh! Nasa red team na